day, if you wanted a really great resume, you either had to be a resume writer or hire a resume writer to create the perfect resume. But today, using Claude, you could make the perfect resume for free in less than 10 minutes. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to do exactly that. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, I've been in recruitment for 16 years, and they say people only get 7 seconds for a recruiter to look at their resume before they decide to move forward or discard the resume. And to a large degree, that is true. Most recruiters are only spending 7 to 10 seconds on your resume before they decide, should I share this with a hiring manager? But using Claude today, you can actually craft the perfect resume that will not only get you in front of hiring managers more frequently, but get you hired. So let's talk about what those prompts actually are. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do when you open Clod is you're going to need to add your resume as an attachment. It's pretty easy to do, it's pretty self-explanatory, but click that button, add in your resume, and now let's get to some of the prompts you're going to use. Now, real quick, I'm going to show you every single prompt on the screen here, as well as tell you why it makes sense and why it's powerful. But make sure you stay to the very end because the last one is incredibly powerful. And if you don't use all 5 of these, it could be the reason you don't get your next interview. Okay, so the first one is you want to actually make sure your resume is a perfect match for the job you want to apply to. Now, I have always said this makes sense when you're applying to a job, but it has never been easier. So in the same way you're going to attach your resume that you have currently, you're also going to upload a copy of the job description. If they don't have one that you can download, just copy and paste it into a Word document, save it, and upload it. Now, using the prompt on the screen, what you're basically going to do is you're going to have Claude create a similar style resume based on the job description. What's really powerful is this is basically going to look at the 2 things, make sure they marry up, make sure that it's using similar wording, phrasing, and the same keywords. So not only do you appeal more so to a recruiter, right? You look like a better match, but when you apply, and the company has an applicant tracking system, it's going to give you a higher score, which is going to increase the likelihood that you make it through to the next round. Okay, so this next one's really powerful. It's going to turn duties into achievements. So here's the prompt on the screen. And what this basically means is people, the average person, when they write a resume, they will often put, was responsible for this, was responsible for this. But Claude can actually turn this into impact statements. It can help you quantify your impact. And I'm telling you, as a recruiter, this makes you jump off the page because we look at it and we go, okay, yeah, everybody lists tasks as bullet points. But when you actually talk about what the impact was of the responsibilities you had in a given job, it is incredibly powerful. It allows recruiters and hiring managers to imagine you in the role, and it will definitely get you from interview 1 to interview 2 more frequently. Hey, by the way, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. It's free, it tells YouTube I don't suck, and it motivates me to make more videos like this. And if you're already willing to do that, hit that subscribe and notification bell. That way you never miss one of my 3 free weekly videos, all designed to help you land your next job and maximize your career. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is cut the fluff and tighten up formatting. The fact of the matter is, most people are not great at creating resumes. Heck, I'm a recruiter and I'm not even great at creating a resume. One of the main things candidates do that detract from the value of their resume is they have lengthy, fluff-filled sentences that make hiring managers and recruiters look at it and go, this is just word salad. So by using Clod, you can actually tighten up your bullet points, tighten up your responsibilities, tighten up your objective statement if you have one, and make every single word you have in your resume earn its keep. This is a really powerful thing because fluff is one of the easiest things you can do to make someone look at your resume and go, this candidate is not impressive. Okay, I really like this one. You can stress test it against ATS logic. Now, you can be really great at what you do. You can even have a really good resume, but if your resume does not match closely enough with the job description and it has issues that are going to get you kicked out with the applicant tracking system that the company you're applying to is using, then it could all be for naught. But using this prompt allows Claude to make sure that your resume is going to be ATS proof. That's really important because an applicant tracking system can get you kicked out of a job before a recruiter or a hiring manager ever gets a chance to review you as a candidate. And that is nonsense because you might be amazing, just not amazing at creating a resume that specifically works well with an applicant tracking system. Now, the last thing that you have to do, and this is incredibly powerful, is you actually want to put in this prompt here. Now, what this prompt basically does is it makes sure that not only is it applicant tracking system friendly, not only does it align with the job, but it's basically prompting for the beginning of this video. If a recruiter is going to be looking at my resume for 10 seconds, do I jump off the page? Does it occur to them that I would be great at this role? And what Claude's going to do is going to look at it based on what they know about the way recruiters look at resumes. It's going to give you suggestions that make your resume more appealing to the person who is going to be gatekeeping you from interviewing for the opportunity. It's really quick, it's really easy, and this is just one of the more powerful ways that Clod can make sure you get to that interview round. And if you get to that interview round, it's going to give you the chance to actually win the job instead of you being on the outside looking in. Now, if you like this video, you should watch this video here, because this video here teaches you how to do the same thing with LinkedIn. And if you could make your LinkedIn really powerful using Clod with only 10 more minutes, then you're going to have recruiters and hiring managers reaching out to you with opportunities. And trust me, you want that. So I'm done here. I'll see you over there.